Alrighty, guys. This is the most embarrassingest thing ever. I'm in my minivan, right? I'm at the training center. I just got here. I started overheating. This is the most embarrassing. Y'all see that? That sign, Chrysler Training Center. Yes, that's where I'm at. I'm here now, but man, dude, my van is overheating. Guys, that radiator I put on from AutoZone, it's leaking again. I'm trying to let it cool down right now so I can go out here and add some more water to it. Let's go see what's going on. I'm in front of all these super techs, master techs, and I'm having petty problems. Like they probably thinking, why the hell he driving a van? Yeah, I'm not like that. I'm a simple guy. But yeah, it took me an hour to get here. I saw my temperature hand started pegging. Now I can see the radiator. Y'all see that's a fairly new radiator. I just installed it. In fact, yeah. In fact, I did a video on it. So if they wanna, it's a lifetime warranty on the radio. They always call it limited lifetime warranty. To this day, I have no idea what that means. I'm assuming they're gonna swap out the radiator for me, but I gotta eat the labor. I'm cool with that. But it looks like I'm gonna have to do. Look at all this water this thing drinking. I'm out here in the middle of. I'm in Kennesaw. That's an hour away from where I stay. But good thing I left the house early. No need pressure test this. I can see when I got here. Yeah. See, now I gotta wonder or worry if I'm gonna even get home. That could be why I'm spilling it. I understand that, but when I popped the hood, that's where it was dropping down. That so I don't know. Kind of embarrassed, but it happens to even mechanics. Y'all see that engine 3.8? And good thing I had some water in the trunk. The school not open yet. We kind of early, so the students are still standing over there waiting. So I'm gonna go fill this up with some water just in case I need some en route to the house. Put the rest of it in here and just load up on the way home. But so embarrassing. This is the most embarrassing day of my life. Nah, that was worse. Yeah, I got to do some maintenance on this thing, man. Y'all know how mechanics is. Don't act. Some of you guys in here are mechanics going, oh my God, look at that. I bet some of y'all cars is. Let me stop. But ooh, y'all see that? Anyway, I look like a fool out here with my hood up, so let me let my hood down. And I am a ASC Master Tech. I should not be having these situations. Bad enough, my junkie. This is a work van. It's a junkie work van. So what I'm gonna do now? Lunchtime, I'm gonna go drive down the street, take my lunch break, go to Walmart, and like I say, get some more water in that jug, and hopefully I make it home today. I keep y'all up to date. But your boy gotta get home, man. I gotta go shopping, man. Y'all know why I gotta go shopping? Because, man, 70,000 subscribers. I gotta grab that business card and, get some things popping, man. Go get some gifts. Not sure what I'm gonna get, but yeah, we're gonna raffle off some things this weekend, Sunday, 8 o'clock. Make sure y'all there. I don't want to waste y'all time on this crazy foolishness. Clean all that up. This van is a workhorse. This is the one I used to rent, man. Y'all remember I rented this to that young lady? She finally got her another car. She been had this thing 3-4 years. Just renting. Just rent until you're done. It's not rent to own. People find that hard to believe. I done paid for that van over and over. Well, it's just rent to rent, not rent to own. I'm not selling it. I need this for junk. Mechanics need a vehicle for junk. Most guys will use their truck. For me, I use the van because I got a lot of room inside. If I let y'all saw what was in there, y'all would totally change the way you think of me. But we ain't gonna do that. Guys, I'm done talking. I think the instructors just pulled up. Like I said, I'm at the training center. Down there is Honda Training Center. I think further down, Toyota Training Center. I think I saw a building that said GM Training Center. And somebody in the comment section asked me, how does that work as far as getting paid? Yes, depending on your employer, they will compensate you 8 hours. Whatever your hourly rate is you get that times 8. Because technically, I'm here all day. This is a day's work. So they're going to flag me 8 hours. Now, getting here is on me, I assume. Yes, I had to put gas in this damn thing. And yeah, I had to fight to get here. So it's a day's work. Even though I'm sitting in a chair. And we're not just sitting, guys. We actually taking parts off of brand new cars and hooking up gauges to go over test results and things like that. So it's not a leisure. I actually got some diesel fuel on me yesterday. So yes, we wash up and all that, but yeah, it's not just sitting down in a chair listening to a teacher talk. No, it's hands-on training. That's what I like about it. A lot of the training is going to online stuff. I'm not into that. I need to lay my hands on this stuff and talk to some actual people. Okay, so that's the way I feel about it. See, everybody else, all the other students, they drive new cars from the dealership. JT want to drive his junky, raggedy van. Go figure. But I think like I say, it's a GM Training Center down there. Further on down. On the way home, I'm going to go that way and we're going to view all of these. I wonder if I can get into this Honda Training Center. Just go inside and see what they're working with. I can snitch, be an informant, tell y'all what they got going on. I don't know. What y'all think? Y'all think I should do that? I don't know. But anyway, so yeah, man, that's the way it is. Look, people jogging early in the morning, first thing in the morning. So it's about 8:15. It's about 8:15, I think. But I'm gonna end this, man. That's all I have, man. So y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day. I got a long day ahead of me, and we'll see what happens, guys. That's all I have, man. Thanks for watching.